I'm Kim.
I'm Brad.
We're 6260 Ohana, California, and today we're at Disney's Hollywood Studios.
So yeah, we're gonna go through. It's like a new park to us because of all the learning curve. We did try to get tickets at 7 o'clock in the morning for Rise of the Resistance. I was on right at 7 and they were gone.
We'll try again this afternoon when they release more times, hopefully. But so far, walking in and coming into the park, it's been a little more crowded than what seems 35% capacity.
Yep. So
and the ride times are long.
So we're gonna head over to Tower Terror and see how long the ride time is, and we'll let you know. All right, let's go.
Let's go drop in.
The rock and roller coaster's all the way back here.
50 minutes already. Wowza.
50?
50.
Oh well, it's all right there. 50 minutes. So they're using the theater.
Does that say 60 already? Or
60 minutes. Where are we going?
Backstage, apparently. Freaks. Oh my goodness.
I find that line.
Keep walking, keep walking. Holy moly.
Okay, where do we go? Oh, right here?
Thank you.
What do you think?
I've never seen anything like this.
Okay, Brad's all the way back there. All the way down there.
How many?
2.
No, good to go.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
So the
Nothing.
wait, shorter than 55.
Yeah. Oh,
Uh-oh.
this is so cool.
Squirrel.
Yeah, look at these mugs. These water bottles are cool. Let's just, and it was good.
We're on.
We're going to Mickey Minnie's Runaway Railroad.
Have fun. That's my name.
Railway. Railway. I don't think I'm gonna get it. I feel like this is like fastest fingers lottery. Oh my gosh. Aha! Done. Okay.
Did the exact same thing to me this morning.
Check status. Got one. So 260 minutes. Mickey's Runaway Railway was awesome. I liked it. I'm sad that they did not keep, obviously, the Great Movie Ride, but considering they made changes, I had a good time. I thought it was cute.
Yeah.
And there's parts where they kind of makes the seat rumble a little, and that's kind of interesting.
And a track everywhere.
Yeah, it's kind of one of the trackless systems that kind of rotates around, and it's fun. I liked it.
Yeah, it was kind of interesting.
Yeah.
I like the Great Movie Ride better. It was fun.
Yes.
I don't think I need to do that 5 times a day though.
I don't either, but honestly, I wish they would have done it in Disneyland and kept us a Great Movie Ride.
Yep.
But that's, Brad and I always say that we like it when Disneyland and Disney World have different rides.
Well, because we go to both. So.
Yeah. So it always keeps people coming back. So it's kind of a bummer they changed that, but you know, it was a good thing. I mean, it's a fun ride.
Yep. So where are we going now?
We're gonna try some rock and roller coaster.
All right, let's go hear some Aerosmith.
That was fun. I love rocking out. We got one of our favorites, which was Sweet Emotion, on our train playing.
Yeah, so.
In case you didn't know, each time you're on a rock and roll coaster, there's 4 different songs in play, so that was fun.
But they did have the pre-show shut off for obvious reasons now.
Yes.
So 40-minute wait, always about 40 minutes.
Yeah, so they're pretty much right on.
So
no big deal.
Yeah. So far it's been a fun day. It seems busier here than what we're being told, but I think
Who knows?
Who knows? So I think we're gonna head off over to Slinky Dog and see how long that wait is.
Yeah, we'll just take a nice little stroll through Hollywood Studios.
All right, let's stroll along this boulevard. 90 minutes. And where's the line set? Right here. All right. 90 minutes.
90 minutes.
All right, we can do this.
We will do this, weather permitting.
Yes, we will do this.
Okay. Alright, so it's raining and we thought we'd come in and just have a little snack and wait it out, and then we're waiting for our turn on Rise of the Resistance. So that's kind of a nice way, you know, take a little load off feet and relax, take it easy and enjoy our time here. Sometimes it's not always about the run, and these little unplanned adventures are kind of nice.
Yeah, so we came to...
This is, Docking Bay 7, and decided, you know what? Let's get out of the rain. Look at this cool little pod thing we're in. So we were gonna try to see if we can get into Oga's Cantina. Of course, there's nothing open. So this was a nice alternative, and they do have alcoholic drinks on this menu. So if I know it's not the same atmosphere, but if you're looking for a drink in the middle of the day, a snack, food, whatnot, this is a great alternative. A bad too.
And Slinky Dog was actually shorter than 90 minutes.
It was. Slinky Dog was really great, and it was, the line is really deceiving because it like switches back and goes behind walls, but it went faster than what we expected, and it was a lot of fun.
So yeah, we had a good time on it.
We did.
All right, so we're doing this, then we're waiting for our Rise of Resistance and the rain to stop.
Yes. So hopefully today we can avoid yesterday's wet feet.
Okay.
So this is called the Batu Bon. It is a chocolate cake and a white chocolate mousse. It has a coffee custard. It's a really strong coffee and white chocolate taste, and it's really nice. I like it. It's a little rich, but good.
So the rain's pretty much stopped.
So we're gonna try some Toy Story Midway Mania, and then try to go over to Rise of the Resistance.
Yep, so we're gonna go. It actually didn't rain that much. It's actually already dry.
Yay!
30 minutes, that's not too bad.
That's not bad. Well, let's see where we are for our virtual 85 minutes.
Okay, perfect.
That was great, but
yeah, so we'll let you guys know we did go to Muppet Vision. And I'll show you the inside of the theater now. It really did spread you out.
yeah, so that was nice, and it was nice to get feet for a few minutes.
Yeah.
And now our Rise of the Resistance reservation is ready, so we're gonna go over there and have some fun in Batu.
You now have information we require. I'm sure our interrogators will be happy to talk further.
Are you using a hollow device?
Yes.
To take scans of me?
No.
You said yes, and then no. Unless that tells us the location of the resistance base.
It could.
Then we will take it and I'll send it to the Supreme Leader. And then we'll throw it out into the airlock, either way. I hope you're telling the truth.
Absolutely.
General Huff attacked Myers very quickly. Get it?
That
was
was
fun.
incredible. That was amazing.
So a little bit different than Los Angeles.
We actually sat in the front row.
Yeah, so Disneyland's is
We didn't get like all the pre-shows. We got a little bit more pre-show here.
so the part we didn't see was when you went into the room and saw the hologram array
Yeah.
and BB-8.
That was different here at Disney World than Disneyland.
And we didn't go through-
Disneyland doesn't have it.
Yeah, basically Disneyland kept you in the
Right now.
outside. Yeah, right now they kept you in the outside queue and had you go outside right to the ship. So
Yeah. So
that was
a lot
fun.
of fun.
So we got to see something new. We're excited. And I think that's it for our day here at
Hollywood Studios.
Studios.
We're gonna head over to where we're having dinner and a little different adventure.
Yep. So
We might get a little tropical.
ooh, where's that? Let's go. So we're at the Poly.
Yes, we're gonna have dinner here tonight. Polly is one of our DVC homes.
And we have to go to it every time.
Yeah, we always want to spend more time at the Poly. We really, really love the Poly. It might be our, I think it's one of our, it is our favorite resort on property.
Okay.
I'm always so relaxed here.
So we're gonna go have dinner at
Kona Cafe.
Kona
But we're
Cafe?
gonna kind of hang out. I definitely want to check out Boutique. I'm gonna keep you guys posted because there's really something I've had my eye on for a while, and I want to see if it's here, because if it is, I'll be overjoyed.
That's what they didn't have.
The tiki lamps,
That's what we've been trying to get for the past 5 years.
something like that. We've been trying to get them for a while, and every time we hear they're in stock, they sell out. So that was a no-go.
So we'll check with again sometime.
Yeah.
I'll let you know if we need to get one.
But I did find some cute tank tops, so that was fun.
And a magic band that you
Yeah, and a
remember.
magic band. Yes, it was a Mother's Day gift related. So
Maybe I'll show that to you tomorrow. So, shopping done, we'll have dinner, and we'll be back with you guys
Yeah.
later. Okay, as you guys see, we're back at our room. So we ended up just kind of waiting around for our dinner reservation, and in the meantime we ran into some friends, had a nice discussion.
yeah, it was really nice.
And so one of the things that did come up in the discussion was the frustration with the parks right now. And this is something that Kim and I were noticing.
And I actually asked them if they noticed it was busier because they'd been here for quite a while. And they said no, they kind of noticed the same thing, but the afternoons aren't as bad as the mornings.
Right.
Like after 4 o'clock isn't as bad.
And what it is for right now is there's a cheerleading competition in town. And they're kind of flooding the parks until a certain time. It gets busy. They said in the mornings, the first 3 hours it get busy, then it levels off. And then it gets busy again, and then it levels off again. So we were kind of seeing that because we noticed that when we were walking out of the park lot tonight, out of, I keep on calling MGM, I don't know why, but Hollywood Studios, is that it wasn't as busy. Sorry, the camera ran out of battery, so we had to switch over. So if we look a little bit different, that's why. So we have to meet up with the friends. We ended up eating dinner at the Kona Cafe, which we'll have a review coming out on that here soon. And we had a great day. Now, we do always want to do our cast member shout outs, and we actually have a few. So one from our lunch at Brown Derby.
Daniel was really awesome, who was our server. Very friendly and talkative. And I think at one time he brought you like 3 iced teas.
Teas, yeah. Which is great. I mean, don't worry about
sweet.
it. He was very nice, and he was from Mexico City, Mexico, so Kim and I have been to Mexico a few times, and we had a nice discussion about Mexico and different places we've all been. It was great. Another cast member we're going to shout out, and unfortunately I didn't get her name.
So we went on Rise of the Resistance, and it was incredible.
Yeah, so this is kind of, we're going to get off a little bit off a track here, but what it is that we did this in California.
We did.
At Disneyland. And when we haven't done the part where they had the Bray and the BB-8, so we were already amazed. We were like, wow, we haven't seen this. This is so awesome.
It was. And they actually let us afterwards go up to the stormtroopers, and they kind of had movement. So it was kind of cool.
We got to get a lot closer because in California they were really trying to rush us through that whole area of the stormtroopers. So here we got to actually sit there and look at them. It was really neat.
It was funny because somebody in front of us in line was like, is that cast members in there or is it animatronics or?
It's you always can see them breathing and just kind of twitching and moving as they were standing.
Yeah, and so I was like, wow, if Disney makes you stop and think about, is that a cast member, like a character, or is it animatronic? They've done a good job.
Yeah. But so let's get on to the reason we're talking about this is the cast member. So we had a cast member, and I don't remember her name. I'm sorry, I'm going to put her name right here because I have to go back and look at the footage, and I can't see it on this itty bitty screen. But to make sure we get her name right, she was absolutely amazing, stayed in character, and had a lot of fun. And I'll cut right to it now.
Do you even know where the base is at?
I don't remember.
You don't remember.
No.
Why don't you remember?
I didn't look that carefully.
She gets lost in LA traffic on the way home.
You stare off into space a lot.
I do.
Really? Does she?
Sometimes.
Yes? I'm so sorry.
So
thank you. It was amazing. We
Yeah.
had so much fun, and that really made the ride even better.
Yeah, it really stayed in character. We had so much fun with that. So awesome job. Overall, we had a great day. We had some rain. We had some
but it wasn't as bad. It's the day before, so that was good.
Yeah, we had some challenges. We're figuring it out, and we're like everybody else right now. Is the parks to us are new because of all the different things. We like
It's a little like feeling like a fish out of water when you're coming back with the new rules, some of the construction that's going on, and just
everything else.
Yeah,
we're all learning together now. So hopefully
we're still having a good time.
Yeah. So if you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe,
and follow along with our Ohana.
And I think with that we're going to end our night and say goodbye and
find your magic. Bye everyone.